What if each day could be amazing? What if you and I are the perfect equation to turn outcomes that are unfavored to a million reasons for celebrating?
Hey mamas, welcome back to another Modern Madre video. I'm taking you through a day in the life of a working mom today, starting off with making lunches for my kiddos. Now, if you watched our last Instant Pot video where I showed you how to make a full-on tacos with beans and rice meal, this is actually my kids' favorite lunch after that meal, and it's basically taco salad. What I've done is I've just put the rice and the beans at the bottom of their lunch dishes. I put the lettuce and tomato that we used on our tacos. Again, nothing goes to waste. Added a little extra lettuce, and then here I have the actual taco meat that I put on top. Aww. That's my Luke.
I love 2,000. 3,000?
Doesn't that just make all the effort worth it? Oh, I love him. Alrighty, so now comes cheese. Can't do without the cheese. Now I don't put any dressing on this, and so the cheese is really important. In another video, I'd be happy to go through my kids' lunches as well as my recommendations for containers, lunch boxes, and all of the stuff that you'll need in order to get your kids ready to go.
Hi. Let's go get dressed. Come on, buddies. Let's go get dressed. No? You gotta come with me. You gotta come with me. Cereal? Okay, come on. Let's go. Where's Debbie Cat? You ready for baby school? You ready? What you got there? Cereal. Come on, we gotta go get real breakfast. Come on, let's go. I know, buddy. Christmas music. Woo!
Hey guys, I wanted to stop in and chat because, well, I'm driving again and I have the time. So I'm paying attention to y'all, but I'm also paying attention to the road. I promise. So I just wanted to check in and see, how are you guys liking Vlogmas so far? Are we doing okay? Is there anything that you'd like to see? I know I always ask these questions whenever I put things into the social sphere. It's really bright. But you know, I'm curious. Are we doing okay? And we're also going to be doing this for the remainder of the month, so if y'all have any input or even ideas that y'all would like to see, just let us know. I also wanted to jump in here and just talk about, you know, my day in the life, I guess. How do I say this? I also wanted to jump in here and just give you some input and some perspective from my point of view. I know a lot of the moms that are on YouTube are very lucky and blessed to have grown maybe their channel so that they can, you know, stay at home and be kind of like work from home moms. In that aspect, it's really amazing that they're able to do that. I am a working mom, so everything that you see here is kind of from the perspective of, this is what I have time for. So my house might not be the cleanest. My kids are all over the place. I may not be as organized as I would like to be. I'm very type A, so I love to be organized, but definitely could be better. And definitely I'm going to work towards being better. So this month I have some goals I'd like to work on, just maybe decluttering my home and getting us ready for the holidays. Because, you know, holidays are amazing. I love it. It's my favorite time of year because I feel like people are kinder. Do y'all feel that way? But at the same time, it also is a great import of more stuff. This year, I know for Christmas, we are focusing as a family not necessarily on the giving of more stuff, but of experiences and time together. We are so busy throughout the year. I mean, with 4 babies, four little ones, they're all not little, but 4 kids, we run all over the place. My husband and I work very hard, and it's really important that we take the opportunity to make memories with our kids and to really focus on experiences. So this year we're going to try to make a trip. I will bring y'all in on the planning of said trip and where we are. It'll be in another video, and where we hope to be and where we are going, and just take y'all along on that journey. So I think I'd like to, in preparation of that, just like to focus on those things. Just decluttering, making memories, getting a little organized, and planning for a new year. I don't know. It depends on how this month goes. I don't know what my frequency of uploads will be after December, after Vlogmas. We'll see if y'all like this stuff. See how we evolve. But if anyone has any questions, or if anyone would like to show me some support in the comments, that would be really great. I could really use it. But like, don't we all?
Jumping in one last time to let you know what we had for dinner. We had chicken stir fry. That was some chicken that we had left over from another night. I just browned some onion, that's some garlic in a pan with just a couple of tablespoons of canola oil. These are some veggies that I had left over that I had placed in the freezer, saving them for a recipe. So carrots, mushrooms, some peppers, just stir fried them real quick, added some frozen broccoli that I also had in my freezer. And then I add about 1 part soy sauce to 2 parts oyster sauce. It's really a matter of taste. And then I serve that over rice. In 30 minutes, you've got a delicious dinner that your family will enjoy. So that's the end of my day, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss another vlog. Thank you so much. See you next time.